Hi guys. Laba-laba ta. Ginaunan ako ang mga puti guys. Parang ako ito ang babad. Ginaunan ako puti kasi tutuluan. Ano yung nandiyan siya? Babad na nilagay niya. Naglaba. Kaya dirito nagtrabaho is na ako. Ano akong trabaho? Mahirap lang kasi. I mean, hi to the English people over there. Please do to subscribe, like, comment to my channel. If you want me to do more something like this, how to laundry, t-shirts, and everything about my work. This is my work, you know. Like in there, in your place, you know, like if you sometimes like in Dubai, UAE, too many agencies hiring about working in the house. But me, I'm not going there because, you know, I'm scared. It's better in my place, in my own place, Philippines. It's cheaper, you know. It's only cheap a salary, but it's fine. It's okay. Because when I was young, I can't work like in the long place, like in the UAE, United Arab Emirates. I cannot because I'm scared of people. Too many. Even a lady, the many ladies there, they can treat you well. Sometimes, you know, the jealousy. Now, it depends. Same people, from here and over there. Thank you for watching. This is my place. This is my work.